Think about the spindle bearings on your CNC machines. When one fails, you lose 3 to 5 days of production and spend 42,000 pounds on repairs and expedited shipping. And worse, you may have shipped out-of-tolerance parts before the failure was obvious. Now imagine triaxial accelerometers on every spindle, sampling vibration at 25 kilohertz. You feed that data, plus 4 years of CMMS failure records, into a remaining useful life regression model. On Machine 07, the model sees a shift in the vibration spectrum's high-frequency band and predicts bearing failure within 72 hours. Your team schedules a replacement during a planned weekend outage. No unplanned downtime, no suspect parts. Over the next year, spindle-related downtime drops by 83%. That is, predictive maintenance, fixing equipment before it breaks and before it compromises your quality.